it's Jay with iCar-STL.com, and today we're here with the 1999 Honda Prelude. If you love 90s Japanese cars, hit that subscribe button. If you love this car, give us a thumbs up. We can get financing on any of our cars that we have in inventory. We work with lenders that are listed on our website. You can fill out application online and have an approval within as little as 24 hours. Let's quit wasting time. Let's take a look at this beautiful 99 Honda Prelude. This car has 119,780 miles on it. It is equipped with a 5-speed manual transmission. It has the 2.2 liter 4-cylinder H22A VTEC Honda motor, 4-cylinder. It has a lot of service records with it. It is a 4-owner, shows 0 accidents. AEM Performance Intake, Yanaka headers and Catback exhaust, aluminum radiator, Mugen Spolier, DEPO Headlights, NRG Steering Wheel. It's got aftermarket wheels, brand new tires. This car runs, drives, and shifts incredible. What we're going to do is we'll do a walk around of it. I'll show you some of the flaws in the body, show you the interior, do a cold start, and we'll take it for a drive. Alright, we'll start with the front here and walk our way around the back and just kind of show you. This car is in really good shape. Has been very well cared for. Has some rock chips up here on the hood. And then it's got a little bit of hail damage on the hood, and I'm not even 100% sure you can see. Paint is really good, shines really good on this car. Mirrors show a little bit of rock chips and some scrapes on them. It's got a scratch here. Couple dings, door dings here. Does have a power sliding sunroof. Windows are tinted. It's got a dent here. Mugen style rear wing. Stainless steel exhaust. It's got a couple dings here. Zero rust on this car. Here's the rear wheel. It's got a mark right there. I don't know if you can see that right there. It's got another one right here, and then a little scuff there. This mirror here shows some pitting. Little ding here. Here is some service records on it, and you can see lots of service records. It does have owner's manual. This is the interior. Driver's side door. No cracks on the dashes. On the dash does have the original steering wheel that comes with it. Original wheels, exhaust, everything but the exhaust, I believe. So, back seat. Trunk. Looks like it's never been used. Here's the engine bay. Headers. Very clean. Show you that the windows work, air conditioning works, all that stuff. Window. Window. Sunroof. Headlights, blinkers, all right, let's do a cold start. All right, cold start time. Up with cold. Temp gauge cold. Air conditioning on. Run cold. All right, let's take it for a drive. All right, let's take her for a drive. The airbag light stays on because of the aftermarket steering wheel. They do have the factory steering wheel with it. So if you wanted to put the original one back on, you can. Clutch was done, and timing belt was done around the same time, about 100 to 109,000 miles or something like that. One was done earlier than the other. I think timing belt was. I'd have to look through the paperwork to be exact, but clutch feels good. Shift's good. Nice smooth acceleration. Brakes feel good.
Nice smooth idle. Smoothly, no grinds, no noises. If you have any questions about this 1999 Honda Prelude or about any car we have in our inventory, please give us a call at the number below. We also take trade-ins, so if you have a car you want to trade in, we will get you a valuation on that. We have banks that do lend on cars like this as well. Those are all listed on our website. Click on the link in the description and that'll take you right there. Once again, thanks for watching. This concludes the drive video of the 99 Honda Prelude.